So part A for this question is really simple. We have a torque needed of 95 Newton meters. And then we have the length of the wrench. And we're going to call this RW. And this is going to equal 28 centimeters or 0.28 meters. At this point, we want to find the force needed on the wrench in order to have a minimum torque of 95 Newton meters. So torque is equal to Fr, which means that F is going to equal to torque divided by R. And it's going to be 95 divided by 0.28, and it's going to equal 339.286 Newton force needed. Part B is a bit more complicated in the sense that we have a bolt. So at a bolt,